Hi guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to change the cabin AC filter of your car. In my car is Chevrolet Beat, and today we will change the cabin AC filter. Let's do this. So basically the AC filter is behind the glove box. So excuse me for the mess, and let's remove the glove box. In order to remove the glove box, you can see there are about the mechanism. You have to just press this like this and pull it towards you, and it will come out easily. So let's do this. As you can see, the glove box is almost out, and forgive me, I did not remove the you can say this things in my glove box, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the cabin AC filter, and in order to remove this you have to just wait a second to just yeah, so like this thing comes out, and this thing here, this dirty AC filter, this is responsible for bad AC and the AC not cooling, and it can also be not good for your health. So I brought this from, let's say, local market, and I got this for around 280 rupees. That is approx like $3 to $4. And let's remove this and I'll show you how it's done. As you can see, this is the new filter and it shows airflow downwards. So you have to just put it as it is, like how it came, like that. And this thing which we remove this, sorry for the shake video, but I'm recording it from my phone. So once you put this like this, it goes back into its position, the locking mechanism is done, and yeah, I have to put the glove box again. So it's also very simple. Just first this thing, you see, I have to do that, and once you have put the glove box, you can just close it, and then you need to turn on your car and just, you know, turn on the AC for a few minutes. So this will help to run it smoothly and efficiently. And that's it in this video. I hope you guys liked it. This is my first video, and many more upcoming videos related on my car, I'll post it. And if you like this video, then please give it a like. Do share it with your friends and subscribe for more content. Thank you and have an amazing day.